Hi, my name is Brett Diaz, and I will be presenting on a tool that I use often called MeasureIt. It is available online from www.kevinfreitas.net/extensions/MeasureIt. It is a free extension and as well very basic. It allows you to draw a ruler across any web page to check the width, height, or alignment of page elements in pixels. And the ruler can be accessed with a single click. It doesn't require any configuration. It is available for these browsers: Firefox, Chrome, and Safari. I have tested it in the first two. Some reviews of MeasureIt say that with Firebug one can see element size, and therefore it is not a necessary tool, though I see for MeasureIt another use altogether. TeamViewer is an application that I use along with MeasureIt. It allows me to see the desktop of a client, and the way I would use MeasureIt is for clarifying sizes of images, columns, layouts in general with web design clients. For instance, they might say, that image is too big, I want it smaller. And so with the hopes of being as precise as possible, if one is able to allow the client to demonstrate on the screen in pixels the size that they would like for a particular element, then one can make a website tailored specifically to their requirements. And with this tool being as simple as it is, a client could be trained to use it in their browser and remotely provide measurements to the web designer without either of them having to meet physically. I will demonstrate now. A ruler icon is above to the right of the address bar. We'll click on it and notice how the screen has changed color. It's gray, and the cursor is now a cross. So if this client wanted this image smaller, I would click and drag out a ruler box. To take another measurement, and based upon this measurement, if the client and I were working together and they felt that this size is the one they wanted, I would change the size of my image. It would be a lot of work, possibly, to 828 pixels, and as well all of the other layout items in the page. This MeasureIt ruler has some other features. You can click on the ruler to move it around. You can click plus Control to move the ruler to one side, and at Shift, click Control Shift and move it by 5 pixels. Also, you can use Shift plus the arrow key to move the side to make it longer, and the arrow key to move it 1 pixel at a time, and Shift to move it 5. Also, if you want to change the size with the ruler box, the bottom right hand corner, you can click and make the ruler smaller. You can click X and draw another one, or you can click Escape to exit, and your cursor will be back to normal. I hope you find this useful. Thank you for listening.